Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. First step is to apply lip balm on your lips. After few minutes, wipe off the lip balm. After this step, my lips are ready for the lipstick. I'm using this Stay Quirky lipstick in the shade I Woke Up Like This 3. I'm applying the lipstick as some dots on my lips. Spreading the lipstick on my lips using my finger. If you do this method, your lipstick will look very natural. If you want your lipstick to be bold, apply one more coat on the top. This is how the lipstick looks after drying. If you want your lipstick not to smudge on the mask, do this step. Place the tissue on your lips, apply some loose powder using the brush. Now you can see the lipstick will not smudge on the mask. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.